In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone settings on Calendly. Calendly is an incredibly useful tool for scheduling meetings, appointments, and events seamlessly across different time zones. However, if your Calendly account isn't set to the correct time zone, you might find yourself booking meetings at inconvenient times without even realizing it. Whether you've moved to a new time zone or you're working with clients internationally, adjusting your time zone in Calendly is crucial for ensuring that your schedule aligns with your current location. Let's dive into how to make this adjustment smoothly. First things first, begin your journey by heading to the Calendly website. It's as simple as entering calendly.com into your browser's address bar. Once the website loads, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Click on this to proceed. Calendly offers various methods to log in, including using an email address and password or connecting through Google. For efficiency and a bit of simplicity, we're going to use the Continue with Google option today. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. This step is particularly straightforward if you're already signed into your Google account. If not, you'll need to log in. Following this, assuming you have the correct credentials, Calendly will request permission to access your Google account, specifically your email, profile, and calendar. Click Continue to grant these permissions, which are necessary for Calendly to function correctly, such as to check for conflicts in your schedule when people try to book time with you. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the main Calendly dashboard. You'll find yourself at the heart of your Calendly account where you can manage your events, meetings, and more. But our main task right now is to adjust the time zone, so let's go ahead and find the profile settings. Look towards the top right of your screen. There should be a small circular profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Profile from the listed options. In the Profile section, you'll come across an array of settings you can customize to your preference. One of these options includes your time zone setting. Typically, Calendly will default to the time zone based on your location when you created the account. However, to change it, look for the time zone setting. You might see something like Eastern Time, US and Canada if you're on the East Coast of the United States, for instance. Click on this option to adjust it. You'll be presented with a list of time zones from across the world. Scroll through until you find the one that matches your current location or the time zone you want to operate in. This step is crucial for those working globally, or if you've recently relocated and need your schedule to reflect your new local time. After selecting the correct time zone, ensure you save your settings. It may seem like a minor change, but it has a significant impact. All your scheduled events and meeting slots will now automatically adjust to reflect the new time zone. This means anyone booking time with you will see your availability in your current time zone, vastly reducing the risk of scheduling mishaps due to time zone discrepancies. In addition to manually adjusting your time zone in Calendly, it's also a good practice to regularly check that the time zone is correctly set, especially if you travel frequently or work with international clients regularly. This small but critical step can save you from potential scheduling misunderstandings and ensure that your appointments are always set at the appropriate times. Remember, the beauty of Calendly lies in its ability to simplify scheduling across different time zones, making it a valuable tool for professionals worldwide. By ensuring your time zone is accurately set, you can fully leverage Calendly's capabilities, making your scheduling process as seamless and efficient as possible. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on changing your time zone settings in Calendly. It's a quick process, but one that holds significant importance in managing your schedule effectively. Whether you're adjusting for daylight saving time, relocating, or working across borders, keeping your Calendly time zone up to date is key to maintaining smooth and accurate scheduling. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay organized, stay on time, and here's to effortless scheduling across the globe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your productivity tools.